guys, here at the back you can see quite a few changes that I've made. Actually most is at the stern of the boat. So these were previously non-accessible, so what we did is, what I did is I put in an inspection hatch. I put in a fishing rod holder that drips out at the bottom there. Basically that helps with, so that you don't have water in the fishing rod or in the holder or in your tank here. And then I've also added these two hooks. As you can see, just normal little eyelets, both sides, that I can just put a bungee cord on there, but I can put in my life jacket or anything else that you want to put in there. And then you can also just hook on any other things like your bait knife or whatever you want to hook on there. Yeah, I think it came out quite well. This was just polished, did nothing to the previous gel coat here. And then if you want to see on the inside, you can see the line of the skin over here that I put in, very faint, but yeah, as I said, it's not a showboat. Okay, so in the front you can see that I put some rubber flooring in, and just helping when you actually do have something that you want to put in there. It doesn't bounce around when you've got choppy weather, and you don't hear knocking sound, so you can put anything there from your anchor or whatever. It just cushions the boat a bit when you've got stuff in there. So yeah, so that's basically what I did to the boat, and yeah, let's go test her out.